teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 12 Areas Related to Circles, Exercise 12.2 13th question. Alright, now let's read the question. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. We are supposed to use root 3 as 1.7. Okay, alright. So in this question, now there is a round table. Okay, in that round table, no, there are 6 equal designs. Okay, so as shown in a figure. So let us draw the figure to understand. Okay guys, so here you can see there is a circle and here there are 6 designs. Okay, so there are 6 equal designs in this circle. So I'll shade that part. Okay, so this is one design. Let us count it as well. So this is one design and this is one design and this is one design. So totally now we have 1 2 3 design and here one design, so 5 design, and here another one design, so 6 design, and then here one design. Okay, so now let us count them. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so while shading, no, if I had committed a counting mistake, I am sorry guys, I didn't notice that. Okay, so now let us count and see. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 6 designs are there. Okay, so though the circle is not in a proper shape, no, you can draw the circle with the help of compass. Okay, okay guys, so this is a round table. Okay, so this round table's cover, no, cover means we used to put sheet upon the table for a design. For something we'll put the sheet upon a table. Am I right? So likewise here there is a sheet. So there, no, in that sheet, no, we have 6 designs. Okay, so here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have 6 designs. Okay, so since you guys know the table has 6 equal designs, if the radius of the cover is 28 cm, so here you can take, so this is the midpoint, I mean center of the circle. So if I just draw a line like this, then it is at 28 centimeter. Okay, okay, so the radius is 28 centimeter. Okay, so we are supposed to find the cost of making designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Okay, so we are supposed to find that. So think guys, how are we supposed to find that? Okay, so here since you guys know we are supposed to find the cost, not the area. Okay, so since we are supposed to find the cost, how to find the cost guys? How means, so here if I just find the area of this particular design, okay, if I just find the area of this particular design, then I'll get an answer, right? When I just find the area, no, I'll get the answer and then I'll just multiply with that answer. Okay, so here, no, let me just draw another one, radius. So here this is also radius, isn't it? So here, do you guys think that this is a chord of a circle? Of course. So if not this, then just take this line. Okay, here it is somewhat difficult to understand. Just take this line. So do you guys think that this is a chord of a circle? Of course, it is a chord of a circle, isn't it? And then this part is there now, the shaded part. So here we call it as sector. Sorry. So since you guys know this is the chord of a circle. Okay, of course you guys know this is a, so chord means, so if you have a circle we call this part as chord, this part as chord. Okay, so this is the chord of a circle and then here we have a shaded portion. Now this shaded portion we call it as segment, isn't it? We studied it. Am I right? So we applied the formula also and then we have solved a lot of questions. So here we call this a segment, isn't it? So if I just find the area of the segment, okay, so if I just find this area of the segment, then if when I'll get the answer, no, after finding the area of the segment I'll get an answer, isn't it? So with that answer, if I just multiply this cost, I'll be able to find the actual cost for making the design. Okay, so if I just multiply it with this rupees, then I'll be able to find the cost of making the designs. So till here also, if you don't just understand, it doesn't matter. So when we'll solve only, most of the guys used to understand. So let us solve it. Okay, so now we are going to find the area of segment. Why? Because if we just find the area of the segment means this is the segment. Here this one we call it as design, right? So here we have 6 designs. So we want the cost of making the designs, isn't it? So here now we found that the design is there now. That design is a segment in this circle. Okay, so since it is a segment, if I just find the area of the segment, I'll be able to find the cost as well. How means, first let us find the area of the segment, then you will understand. Okay, so area of segment is equal to, what is the formula guys? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, okay guys, so now let us apply the formula. Theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus, so which triangle's formula we are supposed to use? We are supposed to use half into base into height, or we are supposed to use equilateral triangle. So let us check it out. So here we have a circle here. So you can see this is a sector and here this is a segment. So these the designs are there now. So the designs, everything, it is a segment. Okay, so what is the angle here? So since you guys know the complete angle of the circle is 360 degrees, isn't it? So I'll write it here. So the complete angle of the circle is 360 degree. Okay, the complete angle. Okay, of course you guys know complete angle of the circle is 360 degree. So how to find the theta? That is the question here. Okay, how means, according to the question they mentioned that a round table has 6 equal designs. So this angle, that is 360 degrees, divided into 6 equal designs. So I am going to divide it by 6. Okay, then only I will be able to find the theta. Okay guys, so when I just cancel it now, 1 6 is 6, and here when I just cancel 6 6 are 36, and then 0 as it is. So what will be the theta guys? So the theta is 60 degree. Okay, so since you guys know here the angle is 60 degree. Okay, so here if this particular angle is 60 degree and for both the sides we have the radius as 28 centimeter, isn't it? So here since we have equal sides, even the angle will be equal. So even the angle will be 60 degree, 60 degree. So everything will be 60 degree. If it is 60 degree, then we can call it as equilateral triangle, isn't it? Just because it is equilateral triangle, no, I can use this formula, that is root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, okay guys, so we are supposed to use this formula. Okay guys, so now let us substitute the values. So theta is 60 degree divided by 360 degree into 22 by 7, that is pi. R square is 28 into 28 minus, so root 3 we are supposed to substitute the value according to the question. So it is 1.7 divided by 4 and into side square means side into side, isn't it? So here what is the side guys? So here no, for this triangle the side is 20, this side, this is the side, isn't it? So the side value is 28. So let us write 28 into 28. Okay, one second if it is not visible. Okay guys, so now let us try to cancel the values. So okay, let us cancel 0 and 1 6 is 6, 6 6 are 36, and then let us cancel 3 2s are 6 and 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, isn't it? Okay guys, so now what we can do, so here what we shall do now, so here since the calculation is little bit lengthy, am I right? So first of all here let us take off this point, okay. So when we just take off the point, here it becomes 0, okay. So now it is 40 here. So here did you guys notice that we have 28 into 28 here, and here also we have 28 into 28. So I am going to take 28 into 28 as common, okay. Why? Because here also we have 28 into 28, here also we have 28 into 28. So I am just taking it as common. So rest of the values now we can write it in bracket, okay, since we took this as common. So here we have 11, so 1 into 11 is 11 divided by, so here we have 3, here we have 7, so 7 3s are, it is 21, and minus 28 into 28 we took it as common, okay. So now here we have 17 by 40, so here I just took off the point, right, that's why it is 40, 17 by 40, and let us close the bracket. You guys might be wondering, what about 28 into 28? Already we took it as common, isn't it? Why did I take it as common? Then only it will be easy to solve it, okay. Okay guys, so now let us write is equal to, so 28 into 28 is 804, okay, 804, and then bracket. So here let us take LCM. So when we just take LCM now, we get 440 minus 357 divided by, so when we just do it, we get 840, okay. Okay guys, so now let us solve this also. 1 second. Okay, so now let us solve it. So when we just solve, let us write 804 as it is, and instead of bracket now let us write multiplication. Okay, so 440 minus 357 is 93 and divided by 840. Okay, so it is into here. Okay, now we shall cancel both the values in 2 table, okay. So 4 2s are 8, 0 as it is, 2 2s are 4, and then 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. And now let us cancel 402 and 420 in 2 table. So 2 2s are 4, 1 second, it's not visible, right, 1 second, okay. So 2 2s are 4, and then I wrote the 0 as it is, so 1 2 is 2, and here also 2 2s are 4 and 1 2 is 2, 0 as it is. Okay guys, so now we got 201 into 93 divided by 210, okay. So it is somewhat collapsing here, isn't it? So I will just write it separately. So let us write it separately. Okay, so is equal to 201 into 93 divided by 210. So when we just multiply 201 into 93, and when we just divide it by 210, no, we get 77.47 centimeter. So dimension, everything is centimeter, so I wrote centimeter. So since we found the area, no, so here, no, so actually we found the area, isn't it? Isn't it? So since we found the area, let us write square, okay, centimeters square. So area of the segment we found it, right, that's why it is centimeter square. Okay, so now finally we got a answer for area of the segment, isn't it? And one more thing you guys know, no, so here we just found the area of one segment, isn't it? We didn't just find the area of 6 segments. So I'll show you guys. So here, no, we just found the area for only one segment. We didn't find for all the 6 segments. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to write area of 6 segments. So if we just multiply 6, so when we just multiply 6 into this value, so where is that? Yeah. So if we just multiply the 6 into 77.47 only, we'll get to know, isn't it? So let us multiply. So 6 into 77.47. Okay, so why am I multiplying it with this one? Why? Because we found the area of one segment, that was 77.47, isn't it? If you want the area for 6 segment, we are supposed to multiply them. Okay. Okay, so when we just multiply 6 into 77.47, we get 464.82. Okay, so we get this value. But what are we supposed to find, guys? So actually we are supposed to find the cost, isn't it? According to the question, we are supposed to find the cost. So now what to do? So let me just show that. So we are supposed to find the cost. Find the cost of making the designs, isn't it? So how to find the cost? So let us write cost is equal to, okay, so cost is equal to cost of the design, isn't it? So for that, what we are going to do is, so we are going to multiply this 464.82 into the rate which they had mentioned in the question, that is 0.35, isn't it? This is what they mentioned in the question. So if you have doubt, no, I'll just show you guys. So here they mentioned 0.35. Okay, so that's why I just multiplied 0.35. Okay, so guys, when I just multiply 464.82 into 0.35, I get this value, that is 162.69. so this is the cost. Okay, so how did I find it? So first of all, we found the area of one segment, isn't it? But according to the question, we have 6 segments. That's why I just multiplied with the value. So which value? So after doing the sums and all, no, I got the answer is 77.47 centimeter square. So that was the area of one segment. But what about 6? It was in question mark. So that's why I just multiplied 6 into 77.47. So when I just multiplied them, I got 464.82. And then, but according to the question, we want to find the cost, isn't it? How to find it? I just multiplied 464.82 into 0.35. How did I get this 0.35? So in the question they had mentioned the rate. Okay, so when I just multiply, I get the cost. Okay, so this is the final answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.